So Oracle is totally a different rdbms. Simple.
Okay.
We are not getting all the features of Oracle in a single bundle.
Mm.
If you want to take backup, then you have to any features HADR or DR, you just enable the features ASM, RMAN, Golden Gate, RAC.
Mm-hmm.
In SQL Server, we have a log shipping, replication, mirroring, always on,
Mm. Okay.
clustering, right? So
Mm.
clustering is a RAC in Oracle, real
Okay.
time cluster, right?
Mm-hmm.
It is RAC. RMAN is for recovery manager for backup and recovery, right? This is RMAN
Mm.
in Oracle,
Mm.
right? Then we have Golden Gate, then we have ASM, right?
Okay.
So these are the tools we have to know about. Then you have to know about the architecture, P file,
Okay.
PS file, right? Like then redo files, the architecture of the Oracle basically, right? Undo
Okay.
files.
Mm.
These are the files basically. You can just search for the Oracle files and you get 5 or 6 files basically.
Okay.
P file, SP file, redo file, undo file, right?
Mm.
Then you have a Aura files, PG Aura file. This is a config file basically, right?
Okay.
Not PG, Aura, sorry, Aura file, some extension that is config Aura or something like that, we can say that. So you can get all the configuration of that, and then
Mm.
you can see that architecture of that Oracle basically, right?
Okay.
Archive files, right?
Mm.
And the backup and restore, then tabular format we have already, and
Yeah.
rest what RMN used for that backup only. So
Arman. Arman, right? Okay.
yeah, recovery manager we can say that.
Arman. Okay.
RMN, yeah. Then we have a ASM,
ASM.
yeah.
ASM is memory plus background something.
Both too many things
Yeah.
inside it.
Two
I'm not
minutes.
clear
Yeah.
about, yeah, but we cannot
Yeah.
explain here, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Then we have a Golden Gate, also a tool basically there, right?
Mm-hmm.
Golden Gate. Then we have a rack. This is also a tool. Just we have to enable, and this is a paid version basically, right?
Okay.
Then SQL developer, there's a GUI tool basically, that like
Okay.
SSMS or PG admin, right?
Mm-hmm.
And yeah, that's I know basically,
Okay, bro.
not.
Particularly for this migration thing,
So
because
migration, you can use that migration tool, but
or
from
to
for
yeah.
order to PG, that order PG tool we have, but
Mm.
we can basically I cannot sure that because I've not used that one, right?
Yeah.
What are the features inside that? But yeah, we have to just think about the architecture of that Oracle and PGSQL. So
Mhm.
you know that in PGSQL we don't have procedures, we have a
Yeah.
functions basically. So
Functions only.
whatever the
Yeah.
procedure called in Oracle, we just customize that in function basically, or
Okay.
convert into the functions in the procedure for PGSQL for basically, right?
Mm-hmm.
This is a hectic task, but you can just read it out of the PG or a tool. You can get
Mm.
all the brief about that, right? Then you can
Okay.
explain if required,
Okay. Sure.
right?
Yeah.
This is a common task in the market project basically. Everyone is
Okay.
migrating from SQL to PG, MySQL to PG, Oracle to PG, because PG is Postgres is an open source basically, a free
Mm.
version. So they are
Mm.
going for the cost cutting and licensing, and we get the data from the, because Oracle is very costly basically,
Okay.
right? Other than SQL and MySQL and other than other RDBMS
Mm.
basically. So they are moving to that this environment basically, PGSQL.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. So this is a way, the cost cutting part, and yeah, this is not a very tough task, but yeah, we have to just know about the terminologies and keywords and
Yeah.
features.
Yeah.
Then we
Features
can
and some
do that.
commands, basic
Yeah,
command,
command. So basic command,
restore and
whatever
backup.
you're using, Windows command, you know that, nah? Windows
Yeah.
means Linux command. Like,
Yeah. Yeah.
so if you're practicing LS command, that is used in MySQL, Oracle, or PGSQL, whatever running on the Linux platform, right? The same command.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
And the
Like basic commands
everything,
means basic.
yes,
Like uh,
ls
uh,
command, top command, io top command, right?
okay.
Connectivity, how you are connecting those to PGSQL, right?
Yeah.
And
Like backup and restore these commands main for
no,
backups.
yeah, that's good, but for migration, that is not required. You are doing for backup
In
and
this
restore.
migration, how they will provide, bro? I'm just have simple doubt. See, if from Oracle to Postgres, So how they will give like any files, or we have to move data from databases to Postgres database?
For this, I think you just Google about this pgora tool, because I have not
Okay, okay.
go inside that, but I've heard that this is the only tool for migrating data from Oracle to PGSQL.
Yeah, yeah. Two, three, four
No,
tools
no
are
other,
there.
yeah, no other tools. Basically, this is a friendly. Basically, this is a user
Yeah, yeah.
friendly.
User friendly.
Yeah, on the Linux part. So basically, they're customizing or importing data in type SQL command, or .sql, or something like the batch command. Basically, so they're inserting some data, but challenge on stored procedures still.
Okay.
This is a question basically,
Mm.
right?
Yeah.
So just think about that, do some research on that, right?
Mm,
You can
mm,
note it
mm.
down, and I think it will helpful. You can just explain,
Yeah. Sure,
right?
sure.
Okay,
Yeah.
then.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you,
Fine.
bro. Bye bye.
Thanks.